Nairobi Westlands in the evening. Enjoy the ride with me, guys. To my left there you can see the Hyatt Regency Hotel, a posh hotel in Nairobi Westlands. Right now we are on 38 Muthithi Road, and then we're gonna connect to Westlands Road and route Ring Road as we drive through Westlands today, which is Monday at 7 p.m. And as you can see, Kenyans are very hardworking. People are living, working from their workplaces, trying to get a means of transport back home this late in the evening. And of course, it is a buzzing economy. Also, you're gonna see shops, eateries, hotels are open to ensure continuity of business. Now we're going to link with Westlands Road as we continue going towards the center of Westlands. What do you think about Westlands, guys? By the way, I made a video of Westlands tour daytime, and some of you requested I make a video of Westlands in the evening or night. That is why I'm making this video at this blue hour. It is just 7 p.m. in Nairobi Westlands, and as you can see, Westlands is buzzing. And as we continue into the video, you're gonna realize it's getting dark and darker because the night is catching up very fast. To my left is Pride in Sayari in Westlands. What do you think about Westlands? I think, guys, Westlands is cool. There's just need for facelifting, more so as we can see, for example, this Westlands Road, there's potholes along the way, and also there's need to think about footpaths, okay? Because as you can see, the hardworking Kenyans who are going back home, a good number of them are actually walking on the road. There's need to have footpaths for pedestrians. As to whether there's space for that, I don't know. What do you think, guys? Do you think Westlands was planned well? Comment down below. So right here we link it with Mpaka Road. This is the Mpaka Road Westlands. Okay? And then post Mpaka Road, we're gonna link with Woodville Grove and then Ring Road. Guys, what do you think? By the way, if you enjoy these videos I make, like for example these videos of tour of places, kindly remember to subscribe to this channel. Down there there's a button called subscribe. Click subscribe, and also while you still at it, drop a like. That is gonna show me you guys are really enjoying such videos, and I need to continue making such amazing videos for you. So this is the Woodville Grove. As you can see, guys, there is eateries, there is gaming spots, there is market. That big yellow-green building to the left side is the Westlands Market. To the right, you're gonna see a chain of banks and also restaurants. You can see banks at the right. Of course, banks have closed physically, but their ATMs are working. People can still withdraw cash. And then at the corner there, you can see some eateries. For example, there's the Galitos Westlands, right? And of course, right now there's a traffic gridlock, basically traffic jam, which typically is there a good sections of Nairobi, more so at peak hours. Look at this Peugeot in front of us, guys. This Peugeot looks good. What do you think about it? Do you love Peugeot cars? Comment down below. Let us know which is your favorite car, right? So right ahead there you can see we have Sankara Hotel, that big building, and then I've taken a turn. This is the Ring Road. To the right there is the Westland Square, and then that building to the left, which is orange and cream, is the mall building. Right ahead is One Africa building, and then There far ahead you can see actually is the PwC building too, right? Amazing scenes. Very, very amazing scenes as you can see. What do you think? Wow. And then you can see the mall building just did light up, right? It's officially indicating it's getting dark, guys. Look at the mall building, how it looks beautiful at night. How do you find this view of Westlands? So we're taking a turn to drive back through the Ring Road Westlands, and then we're going to connect with Lower Kabete Road, that area around Sarit Center, for you to also see how it looks like. As you realize, it's getting darker and darker because right now it's about 7:30 p.m. Okay? But of course, Westlands is still buzzing with activities. People commuting from work, lots of drivers on the road, public means vehicles, businesses open. And by the way, if you don't know, Westlands is one of the sections of Nairobi where the economy is 24/7. Even pass by Westlands at 3 a.m., you're going to find supermarkets open. For example, Quickmart, which operates 24 hours. For example, Naivas operates 24 hours. And of course, a chain of eateries are open 24 hours. For example, talk about Colston, talk about Domino's, talk about the joints for selling pizzas, you name it. All these joints are open, meaning it is a buzzing economy. I think the only businesses which close typically in Westlands maybe is corporate offices, before people again come early the next day in the morning. But for business like, for example, eateries, small retail points, a good chunk of them operate till late. Guys, what do you think about Westlands at night? You really love my video about Westlands daytime, and if you hadn't watched it, please, I've linked it up here. Go and watch that video. People really enjoyed it. But now here is Westlands at night, and I filmed it during the blue hour for you to have this cinematic feel, for you to enjoy this amazing video, guys. So if you're enjoying so far, drop a like on this video and click the subscribe button down below for you not to miss future amazing videos which I upload about tours of different places of Kenya and also insights I'm going to be sharing with you around development and money. So when you continue far ahead, you're going to continue on Ring Road, but we're taking the left turn because if you continue, you're going to be going towards Parklands. So you're taking the left turn, this to go and join the Lower Kabete Road. This is Lower Kabete Road, and right ahead of us is the famous Sarit Center, which is a very, very big mall, guys. I don't know, but this place, I think it has like, is it 8 or whatever outlets? By the way, how many outlets or inlets does Sarit Center have? For those who have been there, I think it's one of the biggest malls when it comes to spaces and also the number of entrances and exits within Nairobi. What do you guys think? Look at the right there, guys. It's another hotel which is open. The amazing night lights. Look, guys. And so we are passing Sarit Center. There's this big new building which is being built up. Whose building is this? It's for which company, or what's the name of this building? I see this green construction net, and it seems like the structure is complete. So maybe in the next 1 year or so, you might see that big tall building there also opened up. Guys, what do you think about Westlands at the blue hour? Of course, the road to the left goes to link with Karuna Road. Now here is a good spot for us to think about ending this video, because as we continue going ahead, we're going to be going towards Spring Valley. Guys, I want to see your comment down below. What do you think about Westlands at night? How is it? Is it amazing? Is it well planned? Or there's room for improvement? Cheers, guys.